Did you feel it? Just when the dust was settling from the 4.8 magnitude earthquake that jolted White House Station, New Jersey, another tremor has made its presence felt. This time, a 2.6 magnitude earthquake struck near Gladstone, New Jersey. This surge of seismic activity in the northeastern United States has left residents and experts alike with questions and concerns. The first quake that struck in early April was felt as far as New York City, Philadelphia, and Baltimore. With its epicenter in Lebanon, New Jersey, it was a wake-up call for many. Despite being a moderate quake by global standards, it was significant for a region that doesn't typically experience earthquakes of this magnitude. The quake, coupled with at least 18 aftershocks, was a stark reminder of the vulnerability of the Northeast. The recent 2.6 magnitude tremor served to underline this vulnerability. More than 550 people reported feeling this quake, which originated about 5 kilometers underground. While less powerful than its predecessor, it nonetheless underlines the unusual seismic activity in this region. So what does this mean for the Northeast? For starters, it's a wake-up call. The region's building codes aren't designed for major earthquakes, leaving it potentially vulnerable to significant damage in the event of a larger quake. Governor Kathy Hochul has already urged precautionary measures, and it's clear that more needs to be done. Moreover, the tremors are a reminder of the Northeast's geological history. The eastern U.S. experiences less frequent earthquakes compared to the western U.S., but when they do occur, the impact is felt over a wider area due to the region's older rock formations. In summary, the recent earthquakes in New Jersey have highlighted the region's seismic vulnerability. With the building codes not designed for major earthquakes, and the wide-reaching impact of quakes due to older rock formations, it's clear that the Northeast must prepare for potential future seismic events. As the dust settles and life returns to normal, these earthquakes serve as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of preparedness. Remember, it's not just the West Coast that needs to stay earthquake-ready. The East Coast, it seems, isn't immune either.